Good afternoon, Eric, on Friday afternoon. This is Paul. Wanted to show you what we came up with for the mounting of the throttle. Like I mentioned, that we were going to have to put something over the gap between these planks on the side where we're hiding the boat, the inside of the boat. He did a really nice job. He made a triangular shape, which kind of copies the triangular shape of the throttle. And you'll notice that there's a screw right here. If you're on a big screen, you'll notice there's a screw right there that was going to hit the slot between the pieces of wood. So that's how we avoided that happening. And then he's got the kill switch and the key switch in there. He also has mounted the charger port, the electric port for the charger. He's mounted a bilge pump switch and a light switch, and he's got the charger mounted at a 45-degree angle back here, and that does allow access to check and maintain your shaft seal, shaft packing gland. He's got this hose right here is for your bilge pump. Bilge pump is mounted. Bilge pump is mounted. Here are the battery boxes. There'll be one here in front. I think those might have been in place the other day when I took a video, and of course there'll be one in back as well. And so they'll contain. Should the one nice extra is should the batteries decide to leak, you'll have the acid will be contained in the battery boxes. If two of the batteries both decide to leak at the same time, we probably won't be able to contain all the acid. But if one does, then it should contain the battery acid in the tray. And let's see, what else have we got to show you? Oh yeah, and your drain plug is in. So probably after, we're hoping to test next week. Well, we're planning to test like on Monday or Tuesday next week, although it's supposed to be nice all weekend and rain all next week. But and then you'll see right here, this yellow thing is a container for a fuse, and that fuse will be hooked directly to the battery. So, and of course we'll only hook to one battery to get our 12 volts. And so that one of those switches is a manual switch. That's hooked to the automatic wire, which means that there won't be any switch to turn on or turn off for your bilge pump to operate in automatic. It will always operate in automatic. And then if you want to turn it on manually, you just turn it on manually back there. And there's your bilge pump hose. That's that large hose right there. And then your bilge pump outlet. We had to use brass one or bronze, so we've installed that. Still got to get the screws in it, but that's been installed. So that's where we are, and just want to remind you about payment now. So if you would pay some homage to that, and we'll keep going. Thank you.